excited to be here today. It's a whole new learning experience for myself, even though I've been teaching for nearly 10 years. Today I'm expecting to learn a very different approach to teaching, covering various subjects such as maths, science and English. It'll be interesting to see how the programme is delivered in real time. What skills do I expect to gain from today? I think I'm going to learn an insight into how this company operates as a learning provider, and it'll be nice to compare it to other learning providers. So I'm looking forward to it.
On behalf of I-CLC, I would like to be welcome in here. Today's our workshop is inspire curiosity in teaching, and this is not just a training section, but also a valuable opportunity for us to connect, to share, and to shape the futures of education in Tunisia.
I feel really excited of being here because I can see my friends, because I can see everyone around here, and I can learn something new. It's the teacher's job always to learn something new too, as a student. To be honest, I'm very happy and very glad of being here because I can see my friends, I can see new teachers here, all around here. I can learn something new. As a teacher, I need to learn a lot. I need to learn every day, every year. And today I want to learn new ways to encourage students.